like that.
I just know it's just gonna snap and like
I
hit me in the
know,
face.
that's what I think.
Oh god, this is not gonna end well. When I try to get up.
Just hold on to it and pull it towards you.
No, turn back around and do it.
Wait.
Tell. Turn back around.
Trying to do the same.
Oh! I just saved Kelly's life.